Hey, I'm Dustin. I'm from New Jersey. Behind me is my 144 Mercedes Sprinter that I converted into a camper. Back in New Jersey, I own a seasonal business where I rent paddle boards in the summer, so then I have all winter to go and travel. So I really enjoy surfing and spearfishing and hiking. So I'm currently on my way down to Baja to hopefully catch some waves and go spearfishing until summer starts back up. So I've always been about traveling and exploring as much as I can, and having a camper, school bus, anything like that seemed like it would be the best way to travel around with my dog and just explore as much as possible. This is my first trip in a camper out west. I've done a lot up and down the East Coast, down into Florida, into the Keys, the Everglades, and then also up into Maine, do some snowboarding and stuff. Yeah, so a big thing that I realized when I was in Florida, especially having a dog, was just the heat and how quickly the vehicles can get real hot. So going with the Nomadic air conditioner really set it to a different level. I was able to not worry about the dog in the van and be comfortable wherever I was. So yeah, it's peace of mind knowing that when I fire that AC up, my dog is good, and I'm also comfortable in there as well. I had a Dometic on there before, and it kept messing with me, and it would just kept shutting off periodically. I reached out to Dometic to try to get some help. They just kind of shut me down, saying since I didn't have it on a truck and it was on a van, they couldn't really help me with anything. Guys at Nomadic were very helpful. They hooked me up with the Nomadic X2, swapped it out, and had me come down to the shop and basically did it for me. It's a smaller unit, and it even has higher BTUs too. So it takes up less space up on the roof rack. I have more space for all my gear, and so far, no complaints. I absolutely love it. Yeah, if I'm somewhere parked up and I need to leave the dog in the van, I'll pretty much just hit the temperature control, hit the thermostat to what temperature I want it to be, and just it'll kick on and off, and I know she's cool in the van. If you ever find yourself in South Jersey, look us up, supguynj.com, and Instagram, Facebook is supguynj.